Okay, I think we're gonna get it to work. So here's what I feel like I need to do. I need to do a little refresher because what I'm starting to notice is the content that I don't really want published is getting, it's like not going in the filters that I thought I was getting it. So I'm gonna go through some of my bot workflows that's posting on social media. So I've got these different communicators that are all going from Google Drive to YouTube or TikTok or Pinterest. And so I want to make it easy. There's like popular workflows, which I don't want any of that. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. And we're going to click on this one here. Let me see. Let me think. Okay. So we'll start from the top. We'll do isoskeleton. We're going to click on TikTok. And then we're going to create the workflow, right? And the next thing we're going to do is make a call to action, something that we can put directly. So what was it that we just wrote down? Yeah. Subscribe to my blog, link. And I'm going to do link emoji, right? And then we'll go, because we have a new page now, shopping. That's going to be announced. Shopping cart emoji. I want to do the shopping bag. Pink bag. Okay. Are you being naughty again? Because it seems like it. Little Oreo buttercup. There it is, the shopping bag. Copy. And there we go. And then we do, let's go with hashtag Blue Eye Queen for search results, right? Did I spell Blue Eye Queen? And then we'll put my first name, last name. I have way too many names. Give me that. Give me that. If you're gonna be a little brat, girl, she's like on one right now. So we'll put this one over here. We're just gonna post it one time a day. Enable. If we get the workflow down for one social network, like high level example, we have this flow where every time it posts from Google Drive to TikTok, it will automatically post from TikTok to Threads, TikTok to Pinterest, TikTok to Facebook, TikTok to Instagram Reels. So I'm going to show how to set that up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Beautiful. All right, great. So that will be rolling. So we've got a couple pages of exoskeleton content. So me walking in a robot suit, essentially. And we'll do this again with Google Drive. And we'll click on my name. And we'll select the next folder. So if I go into Access, I'm going to click on SUV options, TikTok again, create the workflow. So this is content of me testing out an accessibility vehicle with a rear view ramp. A rear view ramp. Hold up. Is there a way to go sideways with this? Okay. We're just going to go sideways anyways. I don't want it to be at the same time, so we have to move this out to 1. We don't want everything to post at the same time. So we've got that. So we say, burn subtitles into video, yes. Automatically publish a comment after each video. Support my journey and follow my page with a subscribe. Add custom text to destination. Subscribe to my blog, melissadivietri.com, with all of the necessary hashtags that are relevant right there. Trim videos to your destination. Use all content. We'll do newest to oldest. We'll click save. So we got all these parameters in there so that I post at these times when it's not all convoluted and posting at the same time. Let's see, so there's 10 there. Let's click on this workflow. I think we forgot to push a couple buttons here. Auto trim. Full sync. I got a booger. I'm sorry. I was just outside. All right, perfect. So let's go back and create another workflow. So we've created 2 workflows in less than 10 minutes. So we know content is now being shared on Instagram. Or sorry, TikTok. I'm thinking of Instagram because that's the next one I want to work on is Instagram Reels. But first we got to get TikTok polish. Walking videos. Yeah, let's do this one. TikTok, Blue Eye Queen, username. Click on the call to action button that says create workflow. We'll do number per day, so we'll do 1 per day. And since we just did like a noon hour for the last one, let's do like a 5 o'clock hour for this. 5 p.m. Eastern. So we set the parameters for the schedule time. That's great. So we got 5 p.m. Perfect. And then we're going to auto trim. Well, first, we need to make sure we have our accessibility on there. So subtitles for our access users. Subscribe to my blog, call to action, boom. Don't forget to hit the follow button. To stay up to date. You better put it, she's trying to bury a bone. Repurpose, all content, auto trim, newest to oldest, full sync. So that was a 5 o'clock hour, right? And so we know we've got a few different posts now circulating from Google Drive, which is the main directory, through this tool, which is called Repurpose. If you want to use it, I have a promo code. I also will earn if you use my code. So just hit me up with a DM. Because this will save so much time for you, especially if you're on multiple networks like I am and you have to be everywhere all the time. You can use a tool like this and it will automatically repurpose it for you. And I find that that's just really awesome. I find that's like the best way to get through the day is like focusing on what my day-to-day looks like. I'm physically disabled and it's like I gotta be taking care of myself. So look what I just did here. I selected every time something is posted on TikTok, it's going to post it now on my Instagram Reels page for my personal page, which is, and there's one queued up right now. Let's see. Burn subtitles after. Hit the subscribe button. Enabled. Automatically pull the first comment from TikTok. Auto trim your videos. Repurpose content based on a schedule. Pull all content, future and existing. I like to go from the newest to oldest. And then push a full sync. And we'll let this, it says it's queuing up already, so that means that one's going to post. So we're going to let this kind of sizzle its way, right? We're going to use processing. So we're going to use TikTok as our North Star, is what they say in advertising. North Star is going to be this thing. This is what we're going to look at. Doesn't matter. For right now, just for purposes of like making things easy, I'm just going to, anytime something that I post from TikTok, I'm just going to have it flow right on over. Right on over. It's just, that's what we're going to do. We're going to have it go over in Reels. We're going to have it set up for stories. For this one, instead of new to old, we're going to do the opposite way. Old to new, so that the content is different and it's not the same. So I'm just switching a very small, minute detail, and it's making sure that things are organic and they're flowy. I mean, I'm expert level at bot building, expert level. And I like to be able to share all this with folks so that they can learn how to do this for themselves. Share it to Instagram feed. Sure. Automatically. So yeah, feel free to leave questions, comments. You want to explore more? I'm going to jump right into the next one, next video, to keep things flowing for folks.